Welcome back to the Hawea Grove. In this installment, we're going to look at everything plumbing, in particular our grey water and our rainwater systems. The biggest thing I learned during this process is you need to make most of the decisions early on. I hadn't done quite enough research during the design phase, so we had to make some decisions on the fly. Fortunately, we had an excellent plumber who gave us great input and constantly adjusted to suit our goals. We had to apply for a minor variation from the council, but that went through seamlessly. The biggest change we made was to collect our rainwater from both the barn and the house, taking it into this 35,000 litre water tank. To achieve this, we needed to use charged downpipes with our guttering. This essentially keeps some water within the downpipes themselves, which helps maintain water pressure all the way through to the tank. The second half of summer saw the tank fill up about halfway, and then we had a big storm roll through just recently, and it filled up the other half in just 24 hours. We'll use this water for irrigation, but also for some drinking water too. The grey water system was a decision we made right at the start. We chose to split out our black water and our grey water from source within the house. Black water comes from our toilets and the kitchen waste, and that goes straight out to the town sewer. The grey water pipes come from both the showers and the hand basins, as well as our washing machine, and they go into what's called a water maid.
This is a grey water pipe coming from the house, keep it separate from the sewer. Comes in here to our grey water treatment system that's going to the irrigation. So we can just this up here.
This WaterMate grey water filter system came to us from a company called Allflow, who specialise in all manner of irrigation and water filter systems. So we've got the WaterMate over here. Come and tell us a little bit about it.
It's a very effective piece of equipment used to deal with the grey water from a house.
Tell us where they've been used traditionally.
We've used them in existing homes where you may have an overload of a wastewater system, so by taking out your grey water, putting it out through an irrigation system, you could be relieving well over half of the volume of water in a wastewater system. The grey water comes in and is filtered through 7 layers of filters. The point of this Allflow unit is that it doesn't store the water, and it's very important that you don't store grey water because the anaerobic bacteria will work in it and it'll turn into a stinking mess, which then becomes unusable. So this has got a sensor, it fills up and pumps through according to a little float switch. But if after 6 hours it doesn't detect any more inflow, then it pumps it right down so we don't get a storage and a build-up of stale grey water in the system.
I guess the beauty of this system is how easy it is to use. Like all good ideas, very simple.
For us, the WaterMate's going to be a really good tool to reuse our grey water here on site within our own irrigation system, feeding our fruit trees. Otherwise, we would just be sending this water back through the sewer to the town water supply to be filtered about 9 times and then sent back to us and used in exactly the same place. We're really lucky down here in central Otago because the nature of our topography gives us a really stable water supply. For other places around the country, both grey water and rainwater systems are really important. Allflow offer different WaterMates depending on the size of your house and number of occupants. Go check them out, they're super simple and really cost effective. Plumbing fit-off is complete now. I'm really stoked with these sit-on-top basins and our Japanese toilet seats in particular. Anyone who's been to Japan knows exactly what I'm talking about. Wanaka Stainless made us some custom shower drain channels. We've chosen these full-width drains to help with our grey water flow. We also wanted something that is really robust and easy to clean. They're simple and effective and will outlast anything else in the bathroom. We'll show you more from Wanaka Stainless in our next episode about joinery. In the meantime, go and check out the WaterMate from Allflow.